So today we're going to be doing a mini facial. Here we have our mini facial kit, which has all the steps that you need to be able to do it at home. This is great for all skin types, really great for working with specific breakouts, working with acne, all skin types really. So we start with a fresh, clean face using the cleanser that you like, whether it's clear skin or mild cleanser, whatever works best for your skin tone or skin type. And then we follow with our yin oil and our yang oil. Yin oil is going to go on all areas of redness where you see little broken capillaries, little red spots. So I normally get them on the sides of my nose, and right at the bridge of my nose, as well as once in a while one by my temple. Now everywhere else you're going to want to put your yang oil. Yang is going to bring the blood up, which feeds the cells, helps them turn over, helps bring up and out infection. A few drops of this. You're going to put it everywhere else. Avoid broken skin. It's just going to irritate it a little bit. And bring that all the way down the neck. You're going to leave this on for several minutes and follow with your marine mask and your green clay. You want to mix these up with a hydrosol, which is also in the kit, and you want to remove all of your product with a warm, wet face cloth. You can pat your face dry, you can let it air dry, really whatever you like. Now we get to mix up our clays. So the marine mask is a little tough. It takes some practice to get right, but you're going to use your hydrosol. So we have the rose hydrosol here, that's in the mini facial kit. You're going to just about cover all of the clay right there. Use the back of your mask brush to mix up. We don't want to use those bristles because they're going to take the water, and we need that to wet the mask. All right, so far that's a little bit thick. We want to add just the tiniest bit more. Then we're going to apply to the face and neck as well. So this is going to help detox the skin primarily. It's going to help with any inflammation. It's going to add mineral to the skin as well, which helps us hold on to the hydration that we're giving it. You can leave this on anywhere from 7 minutes to 20 minutes. The longer you leave it on, the redder your skin is going to get. And that's a good thing. That's bringing the nutrient-rich blood up to the cells, kind of like the yang was doing, to help feed them, help them turn over. So you'll leave this on for a few minutes. And after that, we'll rinse off with a warm, wet face cloth. Sometimes the longer it's dried, you want to massage it loose a little bit, so you'll just take wet fingers if that's the case. Just massage into the skin. You can also just add mineral to the skin by Massaging with wet hands right after applying. This is really great if you got sunburn or just need a little bit of a refresh. Bring it down the neck as well, and then remove with your cloth. Once again, you can dry your face off, you can let it air dry, whatever works for you. Now we get to follow with the green clay. So the green clay is going to be a secondary detoxer. It also has negative and positive ions in it. So when you're mixing it with a hydrosol or water, you're electrically charging it. So all of those negative and positive ions in your skin are going to attract. So that's helping detox heavy metals out of the skin as well. The green clay is lovely as well because it helps with bringing down a little bit of redness, just like the marine mask did. It's great for all skin types. It can be soothing, more hydrating than some other clays. Effective yet gentle, I suppose. So we're mixing that up, and this needs a lot less hydrosol or water than the marine mask does. You want it to look kind of like heavy cream, so just starting to move around the sides of the bowl, but not being too thick, not dripping out like it's water. And just like the marine mask, you're going to apply that all over the face and the neck. You want to leave this on around the same time as the marine, anywhere from several minutes to 15, 20. Bring it down the sides of the neck as well. The clay is also going to help kind of tighten and tone the pores a little bit too. And then after that duration, that 7 to 15 minutes, once again, you're going to remove with a warm, wet cloth. And you're going to follow by moisturizing with your favorite oils, serums, moisturizers. A little bit goes a long way here. Don't need too much. That's all you need to do to have your mini facial kit at home.